we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
The 5.4-liter V8 improved in 2009, fixing the cam phaser issues and all but eliminating the spark plug problems. With 300 horsepower and 365 pound-feet of torque, the Triton 5.4L is one of the most reliable F-150 engines.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.